Darlene, and welcome back to Super at 60. Today I'm going to try and actually film a day in the life of Darlene at Super at 60. So many of you have asked for this, Darlene. What do you do during the week? What do you do during your days? What's your life like? Well, I thought I'd pick today. Today is my birthday. What a fun day. And my sweet husband Lou surprised me and took the day off work. And we're just having a good old time together. We are on our way. We've been doing a little bit of house looking. Not too terribly far from our current home, maybe an hour or so away. Kind of a retirement home where everything is on one level. Honestly, guys, it's a little bit scary because we haven't been house looking in over about 24 years. So it's a little scary. I have forgotten certain things. I mean, we were moving about every 4 years for a while. Just kind of going up and up and up, trying to better your family's circumstances and looking for good schools and things. And but now we're going back down. And it's a whole different story. I've got my window open. I hope that's not bothering you. It's such a beautiful day. It's just perfect out here. So yeah, trying to find something, going back down is a totally different situation. A whole new game. So I'm take you with me today. And we are, as far as I know, just looking at one house. And we'll find some other fun things that we'll do today, I'm sure. You guys are gonna have to be brutally honest with me about this day in the life thing with Darlene, because like I said, I just don't know how exciting I am. That's pretty sad. Stop and see if we can find somewhere to eat. Wow, look at that. It's beautiful here. Oh, this is so pretty. What is the name of that restaurant? Grace? There's supposed to be a restaurant here we're looking for. Oh, it's such a cute town. Wow, look at that building. Wow. Oh, grocers, post office. It's pretty. Taste of oil, vinegar, and spices. Oh, that's so pretty. I just can't really see anything, I guess. Wow. pretty. Oh, I love it. Oh, this is such an incredible place. It's literally an alley. And they've turned it into part of their restaurant. Oh, pretty artwork. Waiting on Lou. All right, here is the menu. Oh, it looks beautiful. Oh, I'm gonna have so much fun on my birthday. Here's the back. Oh, wow, that looks delicious. Okay, what looks good here? Ooh. I'm having fun. It's a beautiful day. This reminds me of Europe so much, like Italy. You just find these little nooks and crannies all over town, and they just make restaurants out of them. It's beautiful. It is so pretty here. It is just so pretty. And I'm not by myself. My husband is here. Went inside for a minute, but that's behind me. That's what's going down back there. Yeah, this is so sweet. It's so nice when you find a really pretty restaurant, you know, that's just not like everything else you see. So this is really sweet. Really, really sweet. And happy birthday to me. This is the bread. It's almost like a focaccia cake. I mean, it's really an interesting texture to it, but isn't that pretty? Just looks so pretty, and it's delicious. Really, really good. It's that rosemary on top. All right, here's my shrimp po' boy. Some French fries over there, and that is Lou's crab sandwich. Crab pretzel sandwich. That's like a pretzel bun under there. Beautiful, just beautiful. Oh, it's plated so pretty. That's a remoulade sauce. I love remoulade sauce. Oh, the fresh tomatoes. Yum. Can you guys guess what that is right there? We finally figured it out. It's a fly thing. You just turn it on, flip it over, and there's an on button, and it just kind of swishes the flies away. It's not too bad on here, but I guess it can get bad. This is beautiful. Oh. Okay, let's see what's in here. It is so hot today. Let me try something. My favorite. Fly fishing fudge. Ooh. Look at all the different flavors. Let's try this. Black raspberry, muddy boots. All right, what's it gonna be? Oh, this store is so beautiful. Wait till you see this. Let me show you guys this. If I had a place for this, it would be going home with me today. Look at this. Can you imagine that? Like on a big mantle or something? It's just beautiful. My eye went right to it. Just, oh, it's perfect. So pretty. All right, and check this out. You know, for a pop of color, are you kidding me? Look at that. It's just beautiful. I love it. All right, it's just not a birthday until you spend it at Ollies. So that's where we're headed next. Woohoo! I like their cookbooks. Let's go look at their cookbooks. This is the biggest Ollies I have ever seen. It's huge. Look at it. Oh my gosh. It just doesn't end. All right, is that books? Yeah, that's books. We are headed for the books. part of Ollies here in the kitchen department. Where else did you possibly think you'd find me? I lost my husband. I think he went back to the car. He did, and on my birthday he went back to the car, guys. That ain't right.